Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your computer as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into a super common issue: how to fix those pesky icons on your desktop in 2025. Whether your icons are disappearing, rearranging themselves randomly, or just not responding, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. I'm excited to walk you through this because, let's face it, nothing's more frustrating than a messy desktop. First things first, make sure your system is up to date. In 2025, operating systems like Windows and Mac OS have advanced features to handle these glitches automatically. Open your Settings menu. On Windows, hit the Start button and search for Update and Security, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can often resolve icon issues caused by bugs or compatibility problems. Once that's done, let's move on to the fun part. Step 2. Restart your File Explorer. This is a quick fix that works wonders. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer under the Processes tab. Right-click it and select Restart. For Mac users, force Quit Finder by holding the Option key, clicking the Finder icon in the dock, and choosing Relaunch. This refreshes your desktop and can realign those rogue icons instantly. If that doesn't do the trick, try resetting the icon cache. On Windows, open Command Prompt as an administrator, search for it in the Start menu, and type ie4unit.xshow, then hit Enter. On a Mac, go to System Preferences, select Desktop and Dock, and reset the settings there. This clears out any corrupted files causing the problem. One more tip: check your display settings. Sometimes, a resolution change or multiple monitors can mess with icon placement. Right-click on your desktop, go to Display Settings, and ensure everything is configured correctly. If you're dealing with third-party software, try uninstalling recent apps that might be interfering. And there you have it. Your desktop icons should be back to normal and looking sharp. Remember, staying on top of these quick fixes keeps your setup running smoothly. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.